Hello everyone and welcome to Getting Started with WeedTech.AI. Now this is going to be a multi-part video series and it's going to be detailing everything from getting your account set up initially, inputting all of your account information and getting your plans created and stuff like that, all the way through sales and transport manifests. So by the end of this series, you should know how to use this system like a pro. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The first screen you're going to see when you log in here is our home tab. I say tab because it shows up exactly the same way on our phone apps as it does on desktop. So I'm just going to click through here and show you that we've started with a completely blank account. Okay, so I've wiped all of the products and locations, etc., everything from this account just to start from scratch. So now, like I said, this is the first screen that you see. However, this is not the first screen you should be interacting with. The first screen you need to interact with is over here, which is our account tab. So if we click in here, we can see a couple of things. The first thing that we see is I have options you guys don't. So let's just skip right past that into our account information. So you can see in here we have our owner, which is just going to be the name of the business or whatever, and we can type whatever we want in here. Obviously we would rather have a business name, so let's go ahead and put WeedTech.AI and we'll click add, and you can see this updates automatically. Now you should go down the list here and fill out all of these. You do not obviously have to fill out the referral code or change your password at this time. But you should fill out all of this information. The reason for this is that all of this information will show up on your transport manifest. So once you start getting those created and you start, making sales and doing all that, then all of this information will be showing up on those manifests, and you won't have to write it in by hand every single time, which is pretty nice. If we scroll down a little more, you'll see we have a whole section of tools. And these will be covered in a separate video because we're just getting started here. So let's go down to settings, and there are a couple of things you can set up right here. So our default unit here, we have it set to metric. Let's go ahead and set it to imperial, right? So basically you can keep clicking, and your default unit here is going to be pounds versus here where it will be grams. So that is just up to your personal preference, whatever you would like. The next thing is going to be dark mode, which I am currently using, and it's nice just if you want to get a little bit of pressure off your eyes while you're doing all this. If you spend too long looking at a screen, I mean, you already know what I mean. It gets a little bright at times. So as far as getting set up, let's go back up here. Step 1 is getting your account information input. Step 2 is choosing the settings that you want. Get this all set up how you like, whether you want metric or imperial, dark mode, light mode, whatever, that doesn't matter. But make sure you do those things first. Now, the next video is going to be on creating products as well as manipulating those products. So I guess I will see you in the next one.